So here we are going to explain the inflammatory response. This response that we're going to be talking about is the innate response, non-specific response. The phases are identify the intruder, call for backup, attack, and remove. The players that are involved in this process are going to be mast cells, phagocytes, and macrophages. I'm going to be showing you guys the steps of pathogens breaking through the skin barrier, how the macrophages are going to come in contact with pathogens when they release the cytokines, stimulate the mast cells, histamine release, and blood vessels, and when a scab is formed towards the end. I'll also show you guys that towards the end of it, it's going to look red, swollen, and warm due to increase of blood flow. So here, you're going to see, say, there's some sort of penetration here. Say it's like a stick. This is going to have pathogens come in. What these pathogens are going to do is they are going to connect with the macrophages, and these macrophages are going to release cytokines, which is purple. They're going to release cytokines all inside of the blood or in the skin, and those cytokines are going to stimulate the mast cells. So it stimulates the mast cells. Once it stimulates the mast cells, this is going to stimulate the mast cells to have a histamine release. So now histamine's in the blood. These macrophages are attacking the pathogens. There is now histamine in the blood. What the blood's going to do is going to help expand the blood vessels, and with that expansion, it is going to create little openings, and blood, these neutrophils right here, are going to release into the skin. So now they're going to come in here, and the neutrophils are going to help attack all the pathogens as well. So once that's done, hopefully at that time the stick is out of your leg, wherever, that's going to be gone, and the end part is for protection, which is rainbow. At the point is that it's going to form a scab over for protection so nothing else can get in.